Hello guys, today we'll be unboxing the K29 ultra long tripod. This is it. I will be unboxing also the VL-60 lights. So, part of my content creation, I just got this yesterday. I said okay, I should show it to you guys so that we can unbox it together. Alright, first of all, we'll be unboxing the tripod. Look at it. Alright, what's inside the box? Just got only the tripod inside the box, nothing else. Alright, and the tripod also comes with this gadget. You connect it to your Bluetooth in order to start your video or to end your video or to take your snapshot, and to just for taking snapshots. In case there's no one to help you out while recording, you can just do it, start it yourself and end it yourself. Alright, so there's nothing else in the box, that's all. So the tripod, it's actually long. I heard it's up to 7 feet. So let's open it. This is the stand. You press this button, there's a button. When you press it, you press this button here, the whole legs going to unfold. So as you can see it. Then this is the handle. You can turn 360 degrees, as you can see. So this part is for fixing the camera, and this is the phone stand. This is it. You just turn this like this, then you open it. So for reference, this is the phone. Open it. This is the angle you push out this place, but be careful, it's kind of strong. So you push it out and drag it. That's all. Nice it. And turn 360. Also go up. Adjust this. So now it's kind of taggy, it's not firm. You adjust it here. You tighten this one. When you tighten it, can you see it's now stable? To adjust it again, you free this and put it to your desired angle and you tighten. So you can move it 360. It's very, very solid and firm. And it can go up and go down. It's very, very long. Right, I think that's all. You can also use it as a distant selfie stick. When you fold it like this, you adjust this one to your desired level or length. So when you lock, you can lock the rotation here. When you fix this back, it locks the rotation. Can you see it? So you can use it as a selfie stick. Cheese. So that's that for that. I'll come back to this point here. Before then, I'm gonna unbox the lights. I'm gonna get my mic too, so I'll also unbox that to you guys. So unboxing the lights. This is what's inside the manual. Nobody read that. The light itself. It's come with the clip, which you can attach it to the lights, and you can put it on the tripod. I will fix this for you later to see it. And also this is a clip you can attach to the light also, and also attach it to your phone. Maybe you want to do a selfie or you're not with your tripod, you want to only use your phone with the light, you can also use it together. And also inside the box it comes with a USB type C, a type A to type C cord. Yes, that's all inside the box. So the light is kind of bright. It has two charging ports, type C, and it also has USB 2.0 also charging point. So this is the light. It's bright. Press it. Has how many modes? This 1, 2, 3, 4. I think 4 or 5 mode. And you can adjust the light. This is decreasing and decreasing the light. The brightness of the light, I'm decreasing it. Can you see? This is the lowest, I think. It's very soft. And this is the highest. You can decrease, you can increase the light. And this is the battery indicator. It also has the battery indicator at the back. Can you guys see it? The battery indicator. So it indicates when it's charging and when it's okay. Let's test it. This is an Oraimo power bank. So to test the battery indicator, let's test how it works. As you can see, this is a type C. When I plug it in here, can you see it's blinking? This is fully charged, it's just blinking at the last bar there. So to turn it off, you press and hold this button, it's going to turn off. To turn it on, hold for like 3 seconds, it's on. To off also, you hold it for like 3 seconds also, it's off now. So it's very nice, very okay. So another thing, this is the clip, you can connect it to the tripod, or this for the phone. To connect this to the tripod for the phone, you simply push it like this. It's connected already, can you see it? So you open this clip and clip it to your phone any angle you like. But the clip here is very strong. I don't know why they make that strong. It can break someone's screen. Only stick to it to your tripod. And also to attach this one to your tripod, you fix it here. As you can see, it has 2 indicators and 2 indicators. So you attach this like this. So this one can go up. Can you see it? Can go up. Or for better, easy way, just attach it like this. Put it like this, then drag it down. Simple as that. Can you see it? It's clipped already. So you can also attach your phone here or any other thing you would like to attach. So let's get back to the tripod. So this is the tripod. This is a very good settings. To set it, you adjust this. Okay, so you can look in this, so this one can easily go up. Right, so you put your stand this way tight. So can you see the easy setup here? Don't force it. Try adjusting it. Don't try to force it. It's going to break. You turn it like this, loosen it a bit. Adjust any part you like. Then tie here. So that's it. So when you bring down this handle, it's going to stop the rotation. Can you see it can't rotate while this handle is down? So for it to rotate, you have to leave this up and rotate it. So if you want to lock it into position for it not to move, you just put this handle down. It's going to lock the rotation. So guys, how do you see the setup? The setup nice. Start your video. So I can start my live now. And also, thank you guys for the video today. I really appreciate. Please like, subscribe, and share the video, and comment also. Catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.